Hi, everybody. Cali Rose here. This is for the players who are joining us in our upcoming one-day ukulele workshop, where we're going to take a couple songs and we're going to fancy them up with different strum patterns, finger picking, some melodic, rhythmic embellishments, some improvising, and snagging a few notes from the melody to create a chord melody solo. It's like we're building a scaffolding around the song and we're climbing up, and you find what level feels right for you and hang out for a while and put the rest on the back burner if you want to. We might mess with the melody a little bit too. Our classes are a free-for-all and very collaborative. We really learn from each other because I want to create an atmosphere where you feel very comfortable sharing your ideas with all of us. So we're all teachers and we're all students in these workshops. We're working on the C of love. We're in the key of G. The note that we start singing on is a B. We're doing a shuffle groove, 80 beats per minute, but this has kind of a doo-wop feel, so I'm going to switch to a triplet strum pattern on the bridges. So this is a bare bones sing and play along video. 2, 3, 4. Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I want to tell you just how much I love you. Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I want to tell you just how much you. Come with me to the sea of love. Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I want to tell you just how much I love you. Solo. I want to tell you just how much I love you. Come with me to the sea of love. Come with me, my love, to the sea